Mostly Cream. We're back with another episode of Fork and Knife Show, or just like the Friday recap. We haven't really made a title for this yet. I needed some coffee because I only slept for like 3.5 hours. There's a new drop today. FNKSTUDIOS Passport Collection. Passport T is the featured item. We're gonna talk a little bit about that today. Go back to the crib. I got some things I need to work on to get done. I'm very last minute with it, so like I just thought of one little piece of art I want to make for this drop, so I'm gonna do that and show you guys the pieces, talk about that. I got Christmas shopping to do. I'm ready to like clock out for a couple days other than take care of like just dropping content and watching fucking orders come through. So let's get to the crib, start the day. Come with me. There's key moments in the still times. Every time I really figured some shit out was when I got to like relax. Damn, it's kind of hard.
On the cover of Vogue, just me and my stove. Same nigga in the pic, on resting on hoes. We never spoke.
Let me get my coffee. I'll be right back. What's up, you guys? So today we have the Passport collection releasing, and it's the 23rd. You guys might see this like on Christmas Day or something like that, or a little after. So yeah, it's Friday the 23rd, and the Passport collection is releasing. 24th, 25th, 26th is, you know, respectively a break for like humans. All the manufacturers are closed, which forces me to take a break, and often I need to be forced to take one. So this is just like a wrap up and just let you know about the drop. Kind of gonna give you some insight on like what inspired the pieces, what I went through to make the pieces, show you me wearing them. Right now I'm trying to like make this little like square thing that tells you all the things that dropped in the release, because I need that for my like picture that I'm gonna drop at 1 o'clock to announce that it's out. Yeah, other than that, stick with me, bear with me, enjoy, go buy something. Things will still be available when you see this video. If not, shoot me a DM, I'll make it available for you, or things are going real great if I don't. And other than that, you know, thank you for being here. I need to finish this fucking square right now, so I'm fucking doing an outro like you're leaving, but like I need to finish the square, and then I'm gonna show y'all the pieces and try on some pieces, talk about like what inspired them, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna finish up real quick. My Passport tee, it came from just like travel inspiration. This collection is heavily travel inspiration. Another thing that is partnered along with this collection, but it was the first drop, like a pre-order type drop, was the Passport hat, or vintage heads hat, which is the same thing. It's pins all over the hat, and then that's what matches the shirt. So on the hat you got like Florida, that's like where my mom's family's from, and I've been there a lot. Atlanta, I went to college there. Boston, you got American flag, Paris, just places that North Carolina, places I've been frequented a lot, and that I've traveled to, and that was like the main influence in this collection. The hat is on a souvenir hat, and that's just kind of what inspired and helped the Passport tee come to life. The second piece is one of our staples, which is the S3C t-shirt. We drop one of those with every drop, and it's one of our just best sellers, and it's a true staple piece to our brand. It's the shape that we want our shirts to be, and we just came out with a new color. It's kind of like this off-white. I call it oat cream. And then lastly, we have the motocross long sleeve. Has like these extra long drapey sleeves, and we added thumb holes to it. So like when you put it on, it kind of gives you like this baggy pants effect, or like how it looks when you wear some extra long baggy pants. You have that like now on your sleeves, which is pretty cool. And I put like this box on the front because that's like that was how the motocross like inspired me. Also a little bit of like SSX Tricky in there, and fucking Jet Set Radio. Just this would be like, I was gonna put a number here, but I was like, I just like the blank patch. That's like the patch on the jersey that shows the number. And yeah, that's the full collection. Just wanted to give you guys a little insight on how I came about it. All right, you guys, this is the outro. I appreciate you guys for coming to see me, hearing about the passport collection and stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna see you guys in a week. Next time I see you guys, oh, it'll almost be 2023. That's crazy. So one more video before 2023. That shit will probably drop in 2023. It's up. Thanks again. Stay tuned. 2023, we're gonna have a title. I'm finna sell 8,000 of these, nigga. I might never make a YouTube video again.
The way my fucking neck look, they think I sold my soul. Front row, Virgil will blow show.